Hey folks, it's me again, Miss Rogers, and we're going to look at some more circles and look at inscribed angles today. So here we go. An inscribed angle is an angle with its vertex on the circle with the sides that are chords. Remember, a chord has an endpoint, two endpoints on the circle. They don't necessarily go through the center, but they can. The endpoints are on the circle. An intercepted arc is an arc that lies between the endpoints of an inscribed angle. The measure of the inscribed angle is equal to half the measure of its intercepted arc. So measure of angle ABC is equal to 1/2 the measure of AC, arc AC. Okay? So let's look at some things. Intercepting a diameter. If an inscribed angle intercepts a diameter, then it is a right angle. So measure of angle BAC, this angle right here, is equal to 90 degrees. Okay, so we have just a regular angle, and then we have one that intersects a diameter. So overlapping arcs. If two inscribed angles intercept the same arc, then the angles are congruent. So the angles are congruent. So the measure of angle BD, ABD, this little angle right here, is congruent to the measure of angle ACD, this angle right here. And let's see, measure of angle ACD. All right. So let's go do some practice. All right, so remember that the formula is the measure of the inscribed arc is equal to 1/2, I'm sorry, not inscribed arc, inscribed angle. Angle is equal to 1/2 the arc. So here I've got an arc that's 62 degrees. What is this angle? Well, 62 times 1/2 is equal to 31 degrees. So WXY is 31 degrees. All right. Well, this time we have to go backwards. If this angle is 113, so my arc, my angle, 1/2 my angle, X equals my arc. Okay, so my angle, this I have. So I'm going to put 113. No, I don't. I'm wrong. Miss Rogers, you're wrong again. Yep, I made a mistake. My bad. 1/2 the arc is equal to the angle X. So 1/2 the arc is equal to 113. How do I figure out what the arc is? Well, to get rid of the 1/2, I multiply by 2. So I multiply by 2. So that would be 226. Okay. All right, what about this one? PQR. PQR. Well, Well, we have to remember that it's the intersection is a right angle, so it's got to be 90 degrees. So that's going to be a 90-degree angle. All right. What about this one? Well, it's intersecting here. That's not 90 degrees. But if it were connecting here to here, that would be my 90-degree angle. But it's not. So I need to figure out what arc BC is. Arc BC. I need to know, I need to draw in right here. This is 90. So this is what? 43? 43 times 2 is 86. So 86 degrees. You're going, but how do you know that? Well, I had to draw in what was missing. Because I needed to know this arc right here. That arc right there. Okay. Well, what about this one? Well, let's see. Angle RST. Angle RST. This one right here. And angle RUT. This angle going around this way. This one's easier to find. I'm going to do it in purple. RUT. So this angle is half of 139. This angle right here is half of 139. So 139 divided by 2 is 69.5. So angle SRU this one is 69.5. Let's see what this angle is. Let's see here. What else can we figure out? Okay, I'm going to save that problem for later. Let's go on to the next one. Number 7. So here we've got some algebra to work on. So we're going to solve for x. So we know that angle D is half of 158. Is that right? Yes. 1/2 the arc is equal to the angle. So 1/2 of 158 is equal to 8x minus 9. So half of 158 is 79 equal to 8x minus 9. Add 9 to that, you get 88 equal 8x. X equals 11. And there's your final answer. Okay, that one wasn't too hard. What about this one? Solve for the value or measure. Solve for x. Okay. Well, we know that this angle is a right angle because this is a diameter. And these two form a right angle. So the arc equals 90 degrees. The angle equals 90 degrees. So 13x minus 1 equals 90. Add 1 so you move it over. 13x equals 91. X equals 7. Is that right? Yes. And check the answer key. Okay. Let's try another one. Oh, this one's tricky. So let's label what we know. ABD. ABD, this one right here, is 6x plus 26. ACD, this one right here, is 13x minus 9. And we want to find this arc right here. Okay, here we go. So I know that this angle, and this angle are congruent. That means they're equal. So I'm going to set 6x plus 26 equal to 13x minus 9. I'm going to move the 6x over here and the minus 9 over here. So 6x, 13 minus 6 is 7x. 26 plus 9 is 35. So x equals 5. So now this angle, or this arc, remember it's 1/2 the arc equal to the angle. Well, I've got the angle. This is the angle pointing at the arc. B is 6x plus 26. So I'm going to plug in 6 times 5 plus 26. That's 30 plus 26, that's 56. So my angle is 56. So 1/2 the arc is equal to 56. Multiply by 2, that cancels. So my arc is equal to 112. And there's how I get my answer. Okay. I'll try and come back to the other problem later, but good luck. Have a great day.